Okay, everyone, this video has been a year in the making. So this is the beginning of spring right here, and these are pretty much the first animals I started seeing on my property. These are 3 bucks just playing around and raking their antlers on these trees. A lot of times, see how this buck right here has fur on his antler? They'll a certain time of the year they scrape all that off, and then you just see the regular bone antlers. But yeah, these guys coming up to get some water and salt. It's amazing. The camera system that I installed this year was a artificial intelligence system made by Eufy, and it catches a lot of stuff that I would never catch. Like there's a fox right there, pretty small fox, but a fox. Here's a bear. That was our first bear of the year. He just came cruising through the yard and just walks up these rocks. A little small guy, but pretty exciting to see him. Now here's a scary guy. This is a mountain lion. He's not a super big one, but they're definitely pretty ferocious. He just cruises through in the middle of the night. And it's funny, sometimes I see like someone walking their dog on the trail down below my property, and then I'll see a mountain lion at the same time, like pretty close to when, here's another, that was my second bear right there. And he was another little guy, a different bear. Crazy. A lot of these foxes. Actually, I was surprised. I didn't even know we had foxes in our little area, but there is a lot of foxes. Now that I think is a cat, like just a wild house cat. I'm not positive, but when you look at his tail, he kind of looks like just a regular cat. Here's another fox. That's a pretty good view of the fox. Here's another fox. Foxes seem to be the majority right now. And this is a whole year. So there's another fox up on another side of my garage. They must catch squirrels or something because they're definitely out. And I know there's a lot of squirrels in this rock pile, so they must be hunting squirrels in there, or rabbits or something. This guy was pretty scary. There's another mountain lion, and he was a pretty decent one, actually. I've seen 4 mountain lions this year, which is pretty surprising because I haven't, and really I've only seen them by catching them on these cameras. And what's this? Oh, these are 2 foxes that were playing around by my little culvert down there. And right now we got a little snow on the ground at this point. And yeah, they're just cruising around down there in the cul-de-sac. There's another fox right there. And he goes into the culvert. Oh no, there's another one in the culvert, and they're both just playing around on top of those rocks. There's a deer running across my driveway. That's early in the morning. A little snow on the ground. Not too much, but there's a little. Another fox. My favorite animal, actually, of the whole year is at the end, the very last video. And what's here? Oh, there's another mountain lion right there coming down through my driveway. And he crosses through that cul-de-sac. This property is right on the border of the National Forest. That's why we're getting so many animals. That's the same one, but it's the tracking camera. So these cameras have 3 different lenses, and one of them follows, and it'll actually follow him. It'll catch him right there, and it'll zoom in a little bit, I think. Yeah, there it goes. So it's zooming in, taking a look at him. He just cruises across the property. There's a buck that's just coming down through the same area. And he came through that cul-de-sac and then went up this hill. This is the same buck. Another fox right there in the lower couple of them. Couple foxes cruising around. There's a deer in the middle of the day. He goes up to I have a chain going across that driveway right there, and he just kind of jumps over it. No big deal. Just kind of wanders up the hill. There's another fox. Foxes seem to be the dominant species right now as far as quantity and being active. There's another fox right there, 2 of them. These 2 guys are probably the same guys that are in that cul-de-sac every day. And here's the prize. This is a beautiful bobcat in the middle of the day around 12 o'clock that just cruised right through my backyard. And he was pretty beautiful. You can see a little more of him right there. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and we will see you next year for next year's. Now this was a whole year of these animals.